To replace the backrest cover, the first thing we need to do is use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure it to the chair. Okay, then we can grasp the cover on both ends and pop it off the chair. Before installing the new cover, note the tabs at the bottom of the cover and the corresponding slots on the chair. Those tabs need to go into those slots. Also note the 3 white plastic balls at the top of the cover and the corresponding sockets on the chair. Those balls need to pop into those sockets. So we'll start by inserting those 2 tabs into the slots and then raising the backrest up and popping the balls into the sockets to secure it. You need to push firmly across the top to make sure that's secure. Then we can double check to make sure the tabs are in the slots, that they didn't come out when we were installing the top part of the cover. And once we've checked that, we can replace the 4 screws to secure the cover. And we're done.